path effects, envelope deformation. This is part of my series of path effects in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. Now you can I'm going to do the path effects on a test, but you can do it on any object at all. First, go for our test tool, and then we write something like tomatoes, and then we need to convert this to a path. Now go to path, object to path. If it was any object, you would do the same if the object is not a path. And then you go to path effects. You get this thing here, go to the plus sign, and then go to envelope deformation. Now the envelope deformation allows us to bend the top parts, the bottom parts, the right parts, or the left parts. So first, enable top and bottom parts and enable left and right parts if you are going to adjust them. And then let's see, for example, if we go to top bend path, you want to adjust the top parts, go here and select edit on canvas. You see top bend path. Now the top bend or the top side becomes green, and then you can touch it and adjust it as you wish how your test should be adjusted. The next thing in the entry is right bend path. So if you want to right bend it, you go here and press it, and then the right side becomes now green, and then you can adjust it as you wish, either in or you can move it out depending on what you want. The next one is bottom bend path. So you press it as well. If you want to adjust the bottom, you come to the green line as well, and then you adjust it as wished. Now the last one is the left bend path. You can also adjust that by going here and pressing on it, and at the same time coming for the green line and adjusting it as you wish. Now let's imagine you finish adjusting what you want, and then you want to give it some color. Now we go to select. Let's see whether you can give it a color. Yes, you can. So after that, you just can do whatever you want with it, whatever color you intend doing. You can now add rotate it, expand it, or whatever as you do any other object in Inkscape. So this is how you can use the envelope deformation path effects in Inkscape. Thank you for watching. Please come again, and please help me by subscribing and liking my video. Thank you. Bye.